Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about HostFav. HostFav is a web hosting service that provides a platform for individuals and businesses to host their websites on the internet. It offers various hosting plans with different features and resources to cater to different needs. So one of the key advantages of HostFav is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for beginners to set up and manage their website. Hosting plans typically come with a website builder tool that allows users to create professional-looking websites without any coding knowledge. HostFav also boasts reliable and fast servers, which can ensure that websites remain on their platform, load quickly, and remain accessible to visitors. This is crucial for user satisfaction and search engine optimization. So the first thing to do is to create the account. So to create an account, you have to choose one of the plans: the Linux shared hosting, the Windows shared hosting, the Cloud VPS Linux, the Cloud VPS Windows/Linux. So, yep, let's choose the Windows shared hosting. So here we have the hosting plans and pricings. We have the tiny, the medium, the large, and their features. So choose carefully depending on your business, depending on the number of websites you wanted to create and the space. So let's choose the tiny. So it's out of stock. Let's try the medium. Also out of stock. The large. Are they forcing me to buy something else or what? Let's go back and choose the Cloud VPS Linux, just try. So these have multiple choice. My build HDD, my build SSD, my build NVMe, medium HDD, medium SDD, and medium NVMe, and others they just repetition by adding enterprise or medium or. So here you choose your depending on what you need. So let's choose the SDD, my build SDD, New York or California, New York. Don't tell me it's out of stock. Yeah, we are currently out of stock. These items so ordered for it have been suspended until more stock is available. No further informations, please contact us. So we're just gonna continue with the video without any plans. So we need an email address and a password to. This is creation. Oh no, we need to create an account. So you need more than just little informations. You will need all those informations fill up. Oh, this is really good. Google is awesome. I mean, Microsoft Edge is awesome. Just by one click, all my informations are filled up and I can be robbed anytime. So here, let's fill up the state. What's my state? They don't give me choice. And the zip code already there, the country. Now I need a password. And confirm the password. I bet you I can add one digit and everything will change from 70% to good, strong, 100% strong, 2 digits. So that's it. You fill up with this information, the name, the last name, the email address, the address where you live, and others. Oh, they consider it the state, like the username. Yeah, something like this. Saved information automatically. Maybe later. So here you created your account without without choosing any service or domain or plan. So here we have the services, order new service. We have the domain, domains. You have nothing. Here we have the billing, the support, and let's go back home. So another notable feature of HostFav is its customer support. The company provides technical assistance through various channels such as live chat, email, and phone, helping users troubleshoot issues and address any concern they may have. In terms of security, HostFav implements measures to protect websites from potential threats such as malware and hacking attempts. They may offer features like SSL certificate and regular backups to safeguard website data. So the next is one aspect to consider is the pricing structure. HostFav offers different plans and various price points, allowing users to choose the one that fits their budget and requirement. It's essentially to review the features included in each plan to ensure they align with your needs. But for now, they have a lot of plans. I can't buy a plan right now. So let's search for, yes, it's available. You can add it to cart to buy it later. We have web hosting, transfer your domain, Linux shared, SSL certificate here. Like we said about the security, it's free for 3 months, and you can, the price is a mountain climbing on. So in summary, HostFav is a user-friendly web hosting service that provides reliable services, excellent customer support, and security measurements. It offers various hosting plans. Sorry, this video was in a bad time for the website because all the plans were ran out of stock. But if you are looking for a hosting provider to launch your website, HostFav could be worth considering. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.